Okay, so let's take a look at how you can show or hide the page title with Beaver Builder. So what we're going to do is open any page we wish to edit, and we will launch Beaver Builder for that. Okay, so first thing to do is find such page, click edit. It will by default open in Gutenberg editor. Okay, after that what we'll do is we will launch Beaver Builder. Okay, if you are using any child theme settings, then you can make sure to override that with Beaver Builder global settings. Okay, to check global settings, click on top menu for tools, then go for global settings. Now here it says default page heading, simply set to no. Okay, and save it. Okay, and click on publish. Okay, if you already have any existing child theme settings, say like for example currently I have Genesis theme. Okay, and let me show you. Currently I have that child theme installed. Okay, so that will be overriding Beaver Builder settings. So we will go to pages, edit the page along with Beaver Builder default setting. So what we'll do is we will also click on hide title in that and update. Okay, so this setting usually overrides the one with Beaver Builder. Okay, so if you are using any other theme, then simply launching the Beaver Builder and then going to global setting and then editing from that would do. As you can see, now I have removed the Genesis theme setting. It has now disabled. So if you go to global settings and simply click on default page heading to no, that would work for any other theme which are not like say Genesis framework type of child themes. Okay, so once you publish, the changes will go live. So you get the idea how to show or hide page heading in Beaver Builder.